Hello everyone, welcome to Alkaline Bite. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the alkaline diet. If you're curious about what the alkaline diet is all about, its benefits and how it works, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Understanding the alkaline diet. The alkaline diet revolves around consuming foods that promote an alkaline pH in your body. This approach aims to maintain a balanced pH level, countering potential health issues linked to excessive acidity. The science behind pH balance, pH, or potential of hydrogen, measures the acidity or alkalinity of substances on a scale of 0 to 14. A pH below 7 is considered acidic, while a pH above 7 is alkaline. Our body's pH level is slightly alkaline, around 7.35 to 7.45. Proponents of the alkaline diet believe that consuming alkaline-forming foods can help maintain this balance. Alkaline foods and their benefits. Alkaline-forming foods encompass fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, and select whole grains. These nutrient-rich choices offer vitamins, minerals, and support overall health. Improved energy, digestion, and immune function are potential benefits. Drawbacks and considerations. The alkaline diet has its merits, but it's vital to acknowledge potential drawbacks. Critics contend that diet alone doesn't drastically alter the body's pH regulation, and overly strict variations could lead to nutrient deficiencies. Consult a healthcare professional before making any major dietary shifts. Incorporating alkaline foods. If you're interested in trying the alkaline diet, remember that it's about balance, not strict elimination. Start by incorporating more alkaline-forming foods into your meals. Think leafy greens, citrus fruits, almonds, and avocados. Gradually, you can find a balance that works for your body and lifestyle. That's a wrap on our introduction to the alkaline diet, its perks, and the core essentials. Remember, no universal diet fits all, and what suits one might differ for another. Listen to your body and make informed choices. If you enjoyed this content and crave more insights into healthy living, don't hesitate to subscribe to Alkaline Bite for further content. Thanks for tuning in, and catch you in our next video. Stay healthy, stay curious. Goodbye for now. Goodbye.